Welcome to my new place. So this is my new flat. It's a fixer-upper, so we're going to do a lot of work to it, but this, I thought I would show you the like before, when we've literally done nothing to it, put no furniture in, no walls have been built or knocked down, so I just thought I'd show you like the shell of how I bought it. Okay, so if we start at the front door, I mean you go
okay.
This is my corridor, and at the end of the corridor we've got some cupboard space.
Ooh.
For like the Hoover. Tim is my cameraman if you can't tell. Get ready to
Hi.
hear the noises. Hoover, ironing board and all that jazz. Real exciting. And then if we come through, we have my kitchen. I'm going to completely rip out and redo the kitchen because it's just not to my taste, but it's one of the last things I'm going to do because it's a functioning kitchen. All the rest is just aesthetic, and I'll do that kind of after everything else because there are some much more pressing matters, as you'll see. So one of my selling points to this place is this amazing window that you can see out into my patio. So I'll show you guys outside in a minute, but it's a really, really good size and so bright. I love it so much, and the lighting, the selfie lighting in here is the best in the house. Don't look at the that's going, okay. This will be my pantry, my larder, my fridge, and then through here's my bathroom. This is going to be my main bathroom. Toilet in there. Probably will get rid of the door because I feel like it's a bit weird.
Sorry, I thought you were going out.
See, cross that bridge when we come. So then we come out here, and this is where the exciting stuff happens. We come to the living room. So one of the biggest selling points for this place was how high these ceilings are. So these are 10.5 foot, and the doors are like super, super high, like really big doors, and the skirting board is crazy high, which is like a really kind of, it's just a quirky kind of feature. I love it. And then the ceiling is beautiful. Another massive selling point was the fireplace. So if I move my beautiful, my garden chair, it's actually a working fireplace, which is really, really, really cool. It's obviously black with some green marble and exposed brick, which is
your fave.
My fave. New home card from my sister.
Wow.
Thanks, Amy. Gonna have like a cool mirror or something above it. So yeah, this is the room, and then another massive selling point to this place. There's huge, huge windows, masses of natural light all around here. So yeah, great for filming, which is obviously the main purpose of my house apart from living, is working. Then we come through to my office. So this is my office space. Again, kind of similar size to the living room, super high ceilings, and again, massive window, which is hopefully where I'm going to be able to film. I'm going to hopefully use all natural lighting to film my videos in here. So a really nice big space to kind of do my thing. Oh my god, today the best thing ever happened. So I want wood floors, exposed floorboards, just like standard exposed floorboards throughout the living room and the office. And so my dad and I came in because I got the keys this morning to like just see what the floor was like. Not only is there floorboards underneath, look at this. We found these amazing, amazing original tiles that were part of the fireplace, and oh my god, I literally squealed. I like squealed with excitement. This is amazing. Like I could not be happier. Like I couldn't be happier that these are here. Look at these tiles. We're gonna try and pull similar colours and then make the entry hallway tiling the same. So it's like more of like a kind of like a motif. I can't believe that they're there and that we just found them after buying the flat. Like I'm so excited. So this is the upstairs. So it's a masonette flat. So it's a 2-story flat. There's a lady who lives above me. And we come through. So here is the door to get to the other flat, but we're gonna build over that, put a wall over it because we have no need to be going
just go
into
round
each other's houses. Down here, this really eerie door.
Oh.
This is actually where the magic happens.
Spooky.
Spoopy. This is what I meant when I say fixer-upper. Like, I know the upstairs I'll be changing it and making it more to taste, whereas this down here is actual structural work. So come on down. So welcome to downstairs. The plan is that I'm going to put my shower room under the stairs. So I'm going to have a standing shower here, and then like the toilet and stuff. Very compact. And then the biggest job is definitely this monstrosity. It goes as far back as the upstairs, basically. It's the same floor plan here as upstairs, but we don't know how low it goes because obviously there's a wall here. So we know that down here goes that low, but we don't know if it's the same level all the way down. Because what we want to do is, I say we because my dad's worked in construction for years, so obviously he's helping me a lot. Like, he has the contacts and stuff, and I don't know anything about building. I just know what I've learned from him, so I've got the main man on the job. We're going to put a bedroom, hopefully, in here, and then this little nug, which I really, really love, because it's got this amazing arch. Initially we were going to make this like a storage area, but it honestly hurt my heart to put a storage room where that is, because I thought that was a really cool little like feature. So I'm going to make this what I call the lobby and open all this up, have maybe like gallery wall, and make it just like a super cool decorative area, to be honest, just to make, because walking down here it does feel like you're walking down into a basement. So to make it feel a little bit more like our home, I think it would be really nice to have like a really nice decorative area. And then if you come through here, this will be my bedroom. So it's a really, really decent size. We might actually extend it, I'll show you in a minute, but obviously there's no windows at the moment, but they filled in the windows here. So we're going to have a window here, and I'm going to have a window here, 2 light switches, so I can turn the light off from bed.
That I can back that personally. That's the dream. It's the best thing ever.
You can get all cozy and just turn off the light. So it's a pretty, like, it's a good sized room for a bedroom, especially if it's just me and Tim. But I mean, I don't know who else would sleep in my room. And there's this little area here, which obviously gives me another window. So the plan is to possibly either fill in this wall here, keep that door where it is, and then knock through this wall, and then have this little area as like an extension of my bedroom as like a little walk-in wardrobe. So have some rails here and here, and then a little like dressing table in front of the window.
Oh, that'd be nice.
So that's a possibility. Or if we don't want to waste this bit of space here, bring it all the way so my door to my bedroom is here, and then the whole thing's just a massive square. And then for the garden, so this door here goes in to the living room, and this here is my little patio garden. It's actually an alright size. I'm glad that it hasn't got grass, because I'm not someone who's going to go and mow my own lawn, because that's what Tim would do. But I am one for like potted plants, so I love that it's patio.
Oh my god.
Our cheeky Maccas we had.
Yeah.
My first meal in the house.
There it is.
But yeah, this is
Sponsor us, McDonald's. Free Maccas for life. Sorry, go on.
This is the window that I love the most, and I love that I can have this open and have like garden parties and stuff in the summer, and I can just pass out drinks and food and all of that. I think it's a really, really nice little addition. Because I want to do quite a lot of hosting, I think I'll probably have like a seated area here and my fire pit, and obviously I want to have my own little sunflower field, which is something that I definitely wanted in my first home. So that is going to be my sunflower field. Up here, we go to there, that's where my parking space is, which is really cool. But I think we're going to knock this wall down and extend the garden a little bit. One of the other reasons I love this is because it's an enclosed private garden. Like, there's a few windows, but not a lot.
Yeah, and they're not like main windows in people's houses. Not like people's living rooms that you can see into.
It's enclosed, so it's pet friendly. My sister has a dog, Tim has a dog, and I'd like to eventually get a dog. It's like a really good little dog-friendly garden, which I think is perfect. So this is my crib. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited. I'm not moving in for a few months because obviously there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and my bedroom isn't inhabitable yet. I'm literally gonna film the whole thing. I'm gonna film all of the structural work, and I'm gonna film obviously all the decor, and there'll be moving vlogs, and I'm so excited. I've literally been waiting for this since I was like 11. Woo! Nelly, I'm excited. What do you think of the place?
I think it's great, and I think you deserve it.
It's so nice. We're gonna sign off my empty flat tour. Let me know what you think down below. If you're excited for moving vlogs and homeware hauls, and let me know what you think I should do with the space, because I would love to know your opinions. We're gonna go. Thank you for watching, and we will see you very soon. Bye!
Bye!